Unique Academy of Kids Art, easy and simply. Today I'm going to explain how to draw bird with other technique with very simple, very interest on this shape with you can practice that shapes. Okay, now we need this shape like a water drop or something. Half circle. You can start this point with here fat. Why we are drawing this shape? When you draw this one, you can make many images, animals, birds. That's why. Again, half circle, start here to here. This fat sometimes will come thin. This like this. This also correct. Okay. Doesn't matter. You can try this shape. Thin, thick. Yeah. Same thing. Example I will draw how to this we can make a bird. Okay, just watch. I'm going to add here I. Okay, now you find out what is that. Okay, nicely came. Okay, same thing other one. This thin body part. I'm going to add here. What is that? Tail. After two wings. See, nice bird came nicely. Yeah. Okay, that's why I giving this shape like this. Same time, you should practice opposite side. This is a little bit difficult, but try. Why I giving opposite side? When you draw bird, this bird came opposite. Everywhere, every views. That's why you should do this practice. Opposite half circle and here start. If you want thin, so nicely. This is a can bird. Make means if you like you can add here inside also. Inside. The body inside. This came outside. This came inside. Okay. Yeah. Now sometimes came like the same, like around slightly a little bit turn. This is also nice. Why? And add here. Now you can add leg. See, nice. After you know how to put fingers. Already I gave this work. First, second channels. I gave this work. How to draw leg. Go and see that work. Now, okay. Now came this shape. When you feel the difficult shape, you can try put the circle. Put the circle. Now you can add this line. Okay. After you can raise this line. So don't it. Now came that shape. Okay. like a tennis ball. Okay, tennis ball mark. Yeah. After you can raise don't hit this line. Mm, if you don't like this line, so bird will come opposite. Opposite meaning head down, other side up. Look here, tail come. Now this bird flying. Okay, come down. Yeah. Okay, circle with. You can practice. Other ideas also. Other ideas I will give. Other idea. Other idea meaning just S letter. Now you can make easy. Okay. Now put I. How to you can add means. If you want, you can add it longer. Fly. Okay. Two line with the leg. Why? If you want, you can apply inside color. That's why two line with. Now you know how to add this finger. One, two, three. Behind one. Behind one. Okay. So it came nicely. If you want, you can add many things. This now. Now look here. Now I'm going to add extra beak here. Look, like a kingfisher or something. Okay. Yeah. You can add the leg. This one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. This bird in on branch. Okay. Look. Stem. Again. Opposite view. This view. Open mouth with. I'm adding this bird. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Now you can add. Now finger came sitting on branch. This bird. Yeah. Look. Parrot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.